Alright, everybody, welcome back. Start the stopwatch. So, last time we turned on this bridge here, and, yeah, I could slide, or I could just walk down the friggin', 2 feet that it comprises that bridge. God, they really want me to use Tricky here.
Fine.
Also, the cat is really upset. I'm not sure why the cat is really upset, but the cat is really upset. So, there's that. That is a thing that is there. And I'm getting messages from people. But I'm a little busy right now, so... Oh, whoops. Let's go ahead and feed him first. And then we'll collect him. 13, 14, 15. Alright. And that is because we have to, oh, I guess we have to... I guess the thing doesn't... Beyond the leap of faith lies an ancient prize. I can't leap of faith it because there's no, oh, I see. I see what I have to do. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's right. You gotta tell Tricky to flame it. Flame all 4 in less than a minute.
Flame.
Get out of my way, you stupid mushroom. There's 2.
Flame.
3. Come on. And...
Flame.
4. And that's why he needs a full reservoir. Because if you don't do it in that span of time, you run out of time. And then you can't get that place open. So now that he's done that, he needs to be fed. Again. Now there was another mushroom over here. Yeah, there's the leap of faith. Now see, this game does something that other games that have leaps of faith don't do. And that is, tells you beforehand, this is a leap of faith. Just do it already. Oh, what is... Oh, I guess I have to tell him to flame this too.
Flame.
Oh, look. It's the dinosaur horn. If you find a horn pad on the ground, you can use this horn to call for help. And it's necessary because that's the only way to get past this next section. So, yeah, I don't know what that giant hole is there, but apparently it's dangerous. Fox certainly seems to think so. Oh, I'm getting emails now, too. Somebody wants to talk to me. Actually, it's just general emails. The message that I got earlier was something from Twitter, so it's just people talking to me. And I'll talk to them here in 7 minutes, 6 minutes, when this episode's over. So, where am I going? I'm going up here, that's right. Because I have to go over to where that panel was destroyed. Yeah, right over here. So you saw that platform on the other side? Yeah, we gotta summon a shoehorn, or a snowhorn. I keep calling them shoehorns. Fox was shoehorned into this game. But that's not what they are. So, blow the horn. I told you, man, these guys walk way too slowly. Boy, where the hell is Belinda Tay after all this? The gatekeeper's daughter that we're supposed to be talking to? I guess he doesn't want to talk to us, he just wants to help us, whatever. climb on. Because the thing is, you can't get through this storm unless you have a Snowhorn. To guide the Snowhorn through the blizzard, he will need to be fed alpine roots as you explore. Look on the ground and walk over them to eat. And that's what that health bar is if his health drops too low, he dies, and you have to start all over. I don't think he actually dies, but there's one. And notice Tricky's just fine. You know, he just runs right on ahead. He's like, whatever. But that's the only way you can figure out how to get through this blizzard is by following the alpine route trail. Because otherwise the fog effects are too thick to get you through. Or for you to get through, rather. And that's the thing, I didn't show it here because I already knew about it. Because I remember this part. But if you go through here without... Or if you try to go through here without a Snowhorn... No, walk forward, you stupid thing. Stop trying to turn and walk forward. Or do you want to die in this blizzard? But yeah, if you try to walk through it, there's a short cutscene that plays, and Fox turns back around, and he basically he gets lost.
Your friend will turn up. They usually do. Maybe I can help until he does.
Maybe. Well, probably you're going to have to, because you said that. But notice now that we're through the blizzard, we don't have to worry about him eating. Oh, I guess that's all we need to do. Because he can't fit otherwise. Alright, get the hell off. Yeah, all 2 feet of that. We really needed to slide down that. Get some health, get some magic, and then we go in here. And oh, geez, Sharp Claw, look at that. And the Spirit Gateway has 2 things on it, which means I have to kill both of them. Isn't that convenient? Yep, it's gone. Look at that. I guess I don't need to get those. I need this. I don't really need it. But, alright, what is... So I do have to go down there. Oh, is this another... Yes. Alright, I guess we'll do 1 this time, because we apparently have to. Yeah, that's right. I don't think we actually race anybody here. It's just that we're trying to get through this thing to get to a certain part of the level. Tricky, by the way, has been captured. They don't talk about that, but that's what's going on. Is Tricky has been captured by the Sharp Claw for wandering around aimlessly. So you have to go rescue him. For what? And I don't remember necessarily what I have to do here, if there is anything I have to do. I remember I had to do this, or I feel like I had to do this a few times last time I played. But I guess not. Because here we are. Oh, shoot, that's right. Oh, I remember this. Look at that. The game really wants to emphasize the fact that you're in danger right now. So it has this amazing music. Oh, hey, Sharp Claws. Let's kick their butts. Come on. Stupid animations. Alright, we're about 10 minutes in, so once I beat this guy up... Alright. We're going to end the episode here. And next time, we're actually in the prison now. So next time we're going to rescue the Prince Tricky and probably somebody else. Because, hey, there's a prison here, and you know what happens in prisons is people get imprisoned. So we'll see what happens next time. Bye.